The first thing that we're going to do is go over to Settings, click on Store, and on the right hand side you'll see the option to sign out of existing Apple ID. Once you've completed this step successfully, you'll see where it says Sign In. Leave it alone. Proceed back to the home screen. Next thing you do is click on App Store. You go over to the third step. It says, you go over to the third option. It says Top Charts. On the left-hand side, you'll see Top Paid iPad Apps. On the right-hand side, you'll see Top Free iPad Apps. The first app that you see on Top Free iPad Apps, you're going to click that. It says Free. After you click Free, it will say Install App. Now you're going to see it says Sign In, use existing Apple ID, or create new Apple ID. What you're going to do is use either your existing Apple ID that you have already, if you have an iTunes account or you have another iPod, you can use your existing Apple ID. If you do not have an Apple ID, if you've never purchased anything on iTunes or any apps on the App Store, you're going to create new Apple ID. So let's click on Create New Apple ID. It says New Account. The store is United States, and then we hit Next. What you're going to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom on the Terms of Agreement, and we hit Agree. Now you'll get a pop-up that says Cancel or Agree. Hit Agree. Your email address. You're going to put in your school email address. So whatever your work email or school email address is, that's what you'll put in. For password, put in a password that you could remember. You can use your work password, whichever password you choose. Where it says Verify, you'll put in the same password. Now it's going to ask you to put in a security question and an answer to that question in case you ever forget your information. For month, day, and year, you're going to put in your birth date. And then it says, would you like to receive emails, promotional emails? You could subscribe to the email list. You can select no if you want or yes if you want. Once you put in all that information, the next screen that you're going to see is your billing information. Now, obviously, we're not expecting you to put in your billing information, so what we're going to do is hit None. And we scroll down, and for the billing address, for the title, put Mr. or Mrs. First name, you'll put your name. Last name. So we'll put first name as Test. Last name as Test. Address 375 River Drive, City, Elmwood Park, State, New Jersey, zip 07407. Phone number 201 796 8700. And then you're going to hit Next. And then it will say Confirm. And then you'll be all set with your Apple ID.